Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Abdul. I'm a student at the Bulls on Wall Street Bootcamp, and I'm here to give my testimony about the service that I received. So before I give you my testimony about the service that I received, I think it's fair that I give you a brief overview of how I got into trading and how I ended up at the Bulls on Wall Street doorstep. I first got into trading around late 2017 after the big crypto boom. And so it wasn't long before I realized that I didn't know what I was doing and that I needed to learn actually how to trade. And also, while trading, while messing with the crypto, I said to myself, man, I could have been doing this. I could have been trading with stocks all of these years. All of these years I could have been doing this. So that's when I decided to find some education about trading stocks. So the first guy I popped up on the first trading educator that everybody probably pops up on, with a bunch of money in the profile picture. And you know, the thing is, long story short, that teaching style didn't resonate with me. It didn't fit with me. I felt that it was a little too advanced for the beginner. It's not for the beginning trader. It was just a bad experience. So, you know, $2,000 down the drain. I said, man, I need to find something better. You know, I need to find something. So I said, let me give this guy a chance. You know, I used to look at his videos. I used to look at Kunal's videos on YouTube, you know, driving in a Porsche and talking about how he had his mentor. So I said to myself, you know, if I can't learn how to make $1 million, you know, with this guy's way, at least I can learn how to make a couple $100,000, and then that'll afford me the chance to pay for this guy's, you know, special service. So, you know, I got with the guys on Bulls on Wall Street, and I was messed up. But, you know, it's funny how things happen, because, you know, Bulls on Wall Street is like probably the best thing that's ever happened to me in my life. Because I'm now in a position to really pull money out of the markets, and I have multiple strategies at my disposal that I can use. And not only in bull markets can I make money with this trading style, but I can also make money in bear markets. So, you know, I wish that I could help you, whoever it is that's watching this video. I wish that I could help you, you know, in your process going through the Bulls on Wall Street material and just trading in general. But if you're looking for a trading educator, and you're thinking about Bulls on Wall Street, I'm gonna say go ahead and go for it, because listen, guys, you won't regret it. This style of trading is the style of trading. This style of trading, I believe, is what is mirrored by the algorithms. It's mirrored by traders. This is the core of trading. It's the core of trading. And I have not seen a better teacher than Kunal. Somebody that's gonna stand up in front of you and teach live every day, and be there and help you. Somebody whose phone number you can get, somebody who's you can even go to their house. I just say that there's probably no other better education out there that you're gonna find like Bulls on Wall Street. So if you're thinking about purchasing trading education, you need to give Bulls on Wall Street a chance, because there's many different styles that they can help. It's a total package. So it's good trading strategies for the day trader. It's good trading strategies for the swing trader. You can take these trading strategies and move over to cryptocurrency. You can take these trading strategies and move over to Forex. And I know because I've done it myself. So, but it all boils down to just focusing on one, and that's a different story. But just as far as trading education goes, Bulls on Wall Street is number one. Bulls on Wall Street is up there. Bulls on Wall Street is the best of the best. I'm not getting paid to say this, although I wish they would help. I mean, I wish, you know, Kunal would mentor me, you know, as a result of watching this. But even if he didn't, these are still my true beliefs from my heart about the class. This is something that I'm going to be implementing in my own trading education for the future, and it's just one of a kind. So, you know, I thank the guys for asking me to give my testimony. I'm extremely privileged to be able to do this, and you know, I'm thankful for Kunal for being who you are, and you know, just being that guy, that teacher, you know, that mentor, that trader. And I'm just so happy and grateful that I'm living in today, in this world right now, that I can be able to experience, and I think you should be too, especially if you're thinking about taking the Bulls on Wall Street. Go for it. So that's pretty much it. And I look forward to seeing more traders give their testimonies and growing in the future. So thanks for letting me do my testimony, guys. I appreciate you guys. All right, peace.